Hello? Brave! I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. That Rubik's Cube. What's that, a Rubik's Cube? I don't know what that is. Oh. You done? Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, looky here. Oh, that looks good. What's that yellow thing? Oh, wait, oh, snap, I thought it went away. Oh, what the heck are those mushrooms doing? Can I tell you a joke about mushrooms? No, I'm scared. Can I tell you a joke about mushrooms? Is it a scary joke? No. Once there were some mushrooms, right, on the table. And then they were jumping up and down. And you know what they did? What did they do? They got eaten. Look at the one with the red hat. I'm gonna eat his face off. I'm gonna eat his body. Now be careful with those mushrooms, cause they can give gas. Look at that. They did drugs. Man, that one with that yellow hat look crazy. Look at yeah, and some mushrooms they drugs and they can kill you too. We have to write.
Fight!